reach the weekend.
Wah, wah. Storm Tracker 13 Chief Meteorologist Mary Matthews back with a check on just how low our temperatures will go to end the week. Mary.
Yeah, certainly so. It's going to feel a lot colder out here this weekend. Our friends across Pueblo County and even the Eastern Plains have not made it out of the cloud cover today. We've seen a little bit of sunshine in Colorado Springs, well, a lot actually, but unfortunately it still looks like the Fairbanks, Alaska here in Pueblo County right now. Temperatures have still been pretty frigid as well due to lack of daytime heating. We're at 22 degrees right now, east winds at about 15 miles per hour. Notice the two systems that we have here. So shift your focus into parts of central Canada. That low pressure center is going to dive south. That's going to bring some Arctic air into our region beginning Saturday night into Sunday. And then we've got a low pressure center off the coast of the Pacific Northwest. That will be bringing the moisture source. So the two combined are going to give us some pretty treacherous conditions this weekend. So that is what we'll be focusing on here over the next 24 hours, and we'll begin rolling weather alerts again tonight ahead of this system. Right now, you'll notice most of the west coast with a lot of rain and even snow up till Snoqualmie National Forest. Some of those locations, even the Wasatch with this first little wave, is getting some snow. So several waves coming through for parts of the high country over the next 24 hours. That's the main focus. Will be west of I-25 for really tonight through the day on Friday. You'll notice Friday morning and even into Friday afternoon, snow spreading across parts of the San Juans and the northern Sangre de Cristos and even parts of the Central Mountains. This is going to be ongoing from Friday morning through Friday afternoon. We actually keep dry here along and east of I-25 for tomorrow. So we may begin with a little bit of patchy freezing fog tomorrow morning, but we'll see a little bit of sunshine tomorrow into the early afternoon hours, and then clouds will actually continue to increase as we move through Friday night. Temperatures tomorrow will still be in the teens across the Eastern Plains. You folks in Lamar have not seen the sunshine since last weekend. And unfortunately, it's going to be kind of a rinse and repeat forecast for you tomorrow. 24 degrees for Colorado Springs, 46 in Salida. So areas across the high country seeing a bit more sun. Tomorrow will actually be warmer than us here along the Front Range in the Eastern Plains. Here's where things change just a bit for the weekend. That main bulk moisture and energy that's off the coast of California right now will begin to spread across the high country again Saturday afternoon. So we've got two waves here. We've got one coming on Friday that will impact the mountains only. The next system coming on Saturday is going to hit the mountains first, then going to move into our region. Simultaneously, we're going to have a push of Arctic air. So the two combined is what we're focusing on. You'll notice Saturday afternoon, clouds start really rolling in. That easterly wind component setting up, more snow across the high country. And then we'll start to see our first few flurries here in the Pikes Peak region, likely after about 4 p.m. on Saturday, extending into the overnight hours. Now, many of the models have us getting what we call kind of a donut hole here in Colorado Springs, meaning we're not going to get that much moisture. I'm not buying that just yet. So I think regardless of snow amounts, even an inch of snow is going to cause some problems on the roadways, given the fact that this is going to be such a cold system. Notice 9 p.m. most of the Eastern Plains getting a little bit heavier snow, especially across Lamar and Springfield overnight Saturday into Sunday morning. Most of that really not coming to an end until we roll through Sunday afternoon. Now, given how cold this system is going to be, and I always stress this, when a system is like that of the Arctic, this is going to be an Arctic push of air. It is so dense and so cold, it's going to wring out every bit of moisture in the atmosphere because the air just can't hold it. So it's going to be probably one of those scenarios that even though this model is saying things are going to come to an end on Sunday, we're probably going to get some lingering flurries really throughout the day. And that could be enough to still coat the roads for early Monday morning, so something to be cognizant of. Notice here through the weekend, our temperatures really start to fall off Saturday night. The snow starts to kick in Saturday night. Sub-zero temperatures. We struggle to make out of the teens and even single digits on Sunday, so frigid and cold conditions ahead. We will start to release some preliminary snowfall estimates this evening, probably as early as 6 p.m. Right now, there's such a wide discrepancy in the models. I feel it would be a bit misleading if we started to roll that out right now, but we're going to start to forecast and blend some numbers just a bit just to give you an idea of what you can expect. All that to say, though, if you can stay home this weekend, maybe just hunker down with your loved ones at home. What better time to do that than Valentine's Day weekend? Probably best to go ahead and plan to do that because our overnight lows are going to be extremely cold Saturday night into Sunday. We'll have to watch pipes, anything to that degree. May need to leave a faucet dripping. Colorado Springs, a little partial sunshine tomorrow, but clouds will continue to increase, and it'll be a pretty dismal and gray weekend ahead. Back to you guys.